work. Odd. One of them is this one. It just... Hello? Okay. That one looks like it's undergoing modernization. You guys going up or down? Okay. Guess that's the... Oh, there we go. Which are you guys going to? Third?
Thank you. You're very happy.
There's a jungle gym here.
Oh, there's a cute thing.
Oh wow, this whole thing is like... There we go. Interesting. Innovation security, which pressed really weird. Oh, again? Which one? Stuff on this one. There we go. Let's try to see if we can get a different one. This one is still, I guess this one's in the process of being modernized. So this one is, yeah, that's not gonna work. It's getting a TR mod. This is the only other one that's running, so we'll take a ride on this one and then I'll call it for this video. And I'm trying to make this quick because I'm running on a tight time. So, having these things busy certainly does not help. Stopping on 2 again. This feels more, yeah, these buttons feel weird. There's the other one that just showed up on 4. Let me see if I get the indicator. Where's you got your classic Montgomery indicators? Here it comes. Oh, it doesn't ding. Okay, well. Alright, let's see if we could ride. Alright, here we go. Are we? Up? Which one, third?
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Slow door. stopping on this floor? Close the door. There's someone on this floor, and I don't really want to get yelled at for filming. These things are crazy busy, considering there's only 2 running.
One down.
We'll just get off. I'll just get off up here. I think we got the point across. Oh, let's check up on the other one. There was one up here that was on Independent. Yeah, look at this. Oh, they got the weights and everything. Where is it? I guess it's some floor down. Take a look at the shaft view. Take a look at what these look like from the outside. Oh, there he is right down there on one. Oh, the middle. Oh, no, that's the one. Yeah, that one's stuck. I guess that one's going to be modded. All right. Well, that's it.